Understanding Heart to Heart, a guide to emotional English conversations. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to dive into a very special phrase in the English language, a heart to heart. This phrase is not just about words, but about the emotions and connections we share when we communicate. So, let's explore what it means to have a heart-to-heart conversation and how you can use this phrase in your daily English. Stay tuned. A heart-to-heart is a phrase used to describe a deeply personal and sincere conversation between two people. It involves sharing honest feelings, thoughts, and emotions in a way that is open and genuine. This type of conversation usually happens in a private, comfortable setting where both parties feel safe to express themselves without fear of judgment. It's about being vulnerable and connecting on an emotional level. The phrase, heart to heart, likely originated from the idea that the heart is the center of emotions. When two people have a heart-to-heart conversation, it's as if their hearts are speaking directly to each other, bypassing superficial talk. This phrase captures the essence of sharing what's truly in one's heart with another person. Subsection 3.1. Appropriate contexts. Personal relationships. Often used among close friends, family members, or romantic partners. Difficult situations can be helpful in resolving conflicts or discussing sensitive topics. Emotional support, ideal for offering comfort or empathy. Subsection 3.2, using it in a sentence. I think we need to have a heart-to-heart talk about our relationship. After our heart-to-heart, I felt much closer to her. In many English-speaking cultures, having a heart-to-heart is seen as a sign of trust and closeness. It's valued in personal relationships as a way to strengthen bonds and foster understanding. However, it's also important to respect boundaries and ensure both parties are comfortable with this level of emotional sharing. And that wraps up our exploration of a heart-to-heart conversation. Remember, this phrase is all about emotional sincerity and deep personal connections. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you navigate your English-speaking journey with more confidence. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.